Welcome students in the online classes. Today we are going to study about the binary fission in amoeba. So binary fission involves division of nucleus and its cytoplasm. Cytoplasm means this part is called as cytoplasm of a fully grown organism into a two daughter cell. So how this binary fission takes place, you can see in the diagram. So this is an amoeba. Amoeba has irregular shape. They do not have a proper shape. So they have irregular shape, they have pseudopodia in it. So the nucleus start elongating. You can see here the nucleus elongates and the division of nucleus takes place. First the nucleus elongate, then the nucleus divide, and after that the cytoplasm also dividing. First nucleus will divide, then the cytoplasm will divide, and then it form the two daughter cell, two daughter amoeba. Okay, so how this binary fission take place, it is very easy to understand. This is a amoeba and they have nucleus. The first step, the nucleus will elongate. Okay, nucleus will start elongating. You can see the elongation. Okay, then the nucleus will divide. The cytoplasm, you can see full it is dividing. Okay, cytoplasm is dividing, and then the formation of two daughter cell. This is taking place in the favorable condition. Okay, next is multiple fission. So children, it is under unfavorable condition. Hard covering called cyst is formed. You can see outer covering, the three layer covering cyst. The nucleus of the cell divides and forms several nuclei. Several nuclei are formed. Cytoplasm divides into several parts and are also called as spores. So cytoplasm also will divide and form several spores. Under favorable condition, the cyst will rupture, cyst will break and release many daughter cells. Now let us understand once again. So this is a picture of amoeba. They have cytoplasm, they have nucleus. This is the nucleus. Now what happens? Under unfavorable condition, the nucleus will divide. The nucleus will divide and form several nuclei The cytoplasm also will divide. And forms many spores also we call them. Divide into several part or spores, and it will remain in this position only in the form of cyst till the condition changes, till it changes into a favorable condition. When the favorable condition it acquire, the cyst will rupture or break. Okay, the cyst will break. And whatever spores were inside of the amoeba, now it will come out, or it will release the number of daughter cell, and this daughter cell will develop into a grown up amoeba. So it is about multiple fission. How it happens? The nucleus will divide, the cytoplasm will divide and forms the spore. This pseudopodia is turning into the hard covering cells called as cyst. When it is favorable condition, the cyst will break, and after breaking they will release the daughter cell, and this daughter cell will develop and forms into an individual amoeba cell or grown up amoeba cell. So it is about the multiple fission. Today we have studied about the binary fission and multiple fission in amoeba. Thank you students.